all the lights are going off on your dash, 2015 Volkswagen Beetle or similar, one sensor can fix all of this. Back of the front knuckle all the way up. There is your sensor we're going to take out. Got the T30 again, and one little clip. So the one we just pulled off the front has all kinds of crusties on it versus the new one. New sensor clicks in. And then just give it a little bit and tighten. Just grab the top of the ratchet, spin a little bit, and there you go. Make sure to reset your lights if they're still on after driving for a few miles. Also, make sure to hold down the reset button for your tire pressure so you get rid of those low tire pressure lights. You should be good to go.